All right, here we have number 13. We are trying to graph this. And to graph this, we have to fill in the chart. And again, you should just use a calculator. Okay, we type it in 3 parentheses 1.5. Then we close the parentheses. We bring it to the power. Here, it tells you what numbers to pick. It says -4, so -4. Do you see that? I have that number here. So I can just write that number down. It says here, it is it's positive 0.59. Do you see that? Okay. Then the next one, I plug in -2. It's very easy when you use Desmos. You can just change it. Okay. When you plug this in and you put in -2 for the x, it becomes 1.3. 1.33. Next, we put this to the 0 power. That is just a 3. Then we put it to the first power. See? Use Desmos. It's easy. 4.5. And then we can put a 2 here. Oops, sorry. The exponent should be 2. And that is 6.75. And then let's put a 3. 3 might be too big. Yep, it's 10.12. So 10.12. All right, let's graph this the best I can. -4, it is at 0.5. So that looks like it's right here. -2, it looks like it's 1.3. Looks like it's right there. 0 is 3. 1, it is 4.5. 2, it is 6.7, and 3, it is 10, so it's all the way up here. All right, now let's connect it. Okay, it looks something like this, right? Perfect, good. All right, so is this a growth or decay? This is a growth. It's going up. What is the asymptote? Well, the asymptote is right here. It never touches this spot. That is the asymptote. It never touches y equals to 0. The y-intercept is right here where it touches the, where x is 0. So it's right here at 0, 3. The domain is always going to be that same answer, -infinity all the way to positive infinity. And here for the range, it is the smallest value, and it is at parentheses 0. All the way to positive infinity. That would be the range. All right. You're going to do the same thing here for B. Okay. You're still going to fill in that chart. It is a 0.7 here though. Okay. And then we're testing out -4 first. All right. Let's repeat the process. That is 9.48. So I can write 9.48. And then plug in a -2 here, 5.3. Then you plug in a 0, is a 3. Then you plug in a 1. Oh, nope, the exponent is 1. It's 2.25. Plug in a 2. It is 1.68. 1.68. And then you plug in a 3. 1.26. 1.26. All right, let's graph this the best we can. So -4, it's all the way up here somewhere. -2 is 5.3. Looks like it's right here. 0, 3, it's right here. 1, 2.5, looks like it's right here. 2 looks like it is 1.68. 3, 1.22. Right? Okay, it curves all the way like this. So this is a decay. Let's take a look at the asymptote. Here we go. Never crosses that y equals to 0. The y-intercept is where it crosses, right here. At that point, 0, 3. The domain is always going to be that same answer, negative infinity, parentheses, negative infinity, all the way to positive infinity. The range, the smallest y, which was 0, and then it goes all the way to positive infinity.